Hey, what's up guys? A couple videos ago I showed you how I made that bridge down by the stream for the dirt bike. Today I'm going to bring the little bike down there. I'm going to see if I can ride across it with that without the pegs bottoming out on the sides. And I got my trusty hatchet. I'm going to start cutting some trees and stuff and start making it the beginning of a trail. Probably not going to finish it today or anything, but I'm just going to get started and see if I can figure out where the trail is going to start and start forming it. So let's go do that now. Man, it's been forever since I rode this little bike. First time you've seen this bike, it's a 1987 KDX 80. Little two-stroke. I think it's pretty sweet. It's beat, you know, it's an old bike and it's a piece of crap, but the thing is, it's awesome. It never lets me down. That was a little sketchy, but yeah, the peg's clear, no problem. It sucks when your front tire hits one of the sides of the bridge, and then it kind of like, you're like, whoa. But it does save you, it keeps you in the track. I haven't dumped it yet going over it. It seems like the big mistake is stopping before the bridge. It's better if you just ride down the hill, and you keep going, and you just line yourself up and you cruise right across. So that's the bridge down there. Trail's gonna come up here. There's already kind of a trail here, you can see, go straight up. Ooh, my little hatchet. Just start moving crap out of my way. One thing I've realized when making trails for dirt bikes is you got to chop the stuff like above your head too, because when you're walking through here you're like, oh, this is fine, I can walk through here no problem. But then when you get on your dirt bike and you're standing up, then all this stuff that you didn't think you needed to cut is hitting you in the head. Nice and sharp. I should have brought some spray paint so I can mark the trees. Maybe I scuff up the ground. It'll help me see where I'm supposed to go. Does anybody know what these are? What are these? It's weird, they smell like pine. Ooh, I see a nice area to go down right here. So this whole property here in back of my house, it's like a stream, and then it just climbs. So the whole first part of this trail is going to be climbing, and then it's going to cut over across the hill, and then I'm going to have it go down and then probably back up. So you're going to be like kind of going up and down this mountain. But look at this right here, nice clear shot. Good enough. So the path is going to come down straight through here, come over here. This turns into a little stream at some point, so we'll have a little stream crossing. Then over here, right on the edge of this ravine. This is so cool. I'm excited about this. This just got really cool, this trail. Oh, it'd be cool if I made a part where I'd ride on that giant boulder. Ride down the boulder? Hell yeah. God damn, that was a big wheelie. I almost looped it. Oh, holy shit. We got nice new pavement I haven't ridden on yet. Alright, so this is the beginning of the trail. I'm going to try to ride the whole thing with the big bike. See how it goes. It's a little rough. Come on, don't die on me. Don't die! Left some stuff in my way there. Holy shit, man. I don't know about this. So it looks like something big lives in there. Not a huge fan of that. I'm kind of stuck right now too. So I don't know, guys. First part of that trail is pretty cool, but the second part of that trail is a little too, like, I made all the winds, like all the corners too tight, I think. And then some parts are too rocky, and then so the first part of the trail is good. I'm gonna have to go back out another day and figure out a different way to loop it back. So that's the problem I was having last time I went out there trying to look for like a way to make a trail is it just gets really weird where there's like no, you know, no good way to get through. So maybe I don't know, maybe I'll have it cut back the other way and then check out like those woods maybe. I don't know, but at least I got a trail started today, and yeah, I'm just gonna expand it from there. So go down below, guys, leave me a comment, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna continue to have new videos every week of dirt bike related content, and yeah, I try to do different stuff every video, so subscribe to my channel. Peace.